Hello everyone, hi, I'm Ananya Shetty and welcome back to my channel to help you create the life that you want and to become the best version of yourself. Well, today's video is going to be a weekend vlog, and however my weekend starts from tomorrow, which is Saturday and Sunday, and I am sitting down here on Friday. Major reason, the planner nerd in me has forced me to sit down and plan my week in advance, because clearly I have a jam-packed weekend. To give you a bit of glimpse about how my weekend is going to go, I have 5 coaching calls, out of which 2 of them I am going to host and I would be taking part as a student. And then along with that, I do have a YouTube video that's supposed to be going live tomorrow, and I also have taken up a Valentine Day challenge, which is celebrating a week of Valentine's 7-day self-love challenge in my Instagram handle at Ananya Shetty official inside my community. And that is also one of the things that I should be keeping myself on track. And there are also a couple of things that I managed to pass it on throughout the week that I procrastinated and end up piling it up, which I really need to gather things and clear it up. So this is how jam-packed my weekend is going to be. So before I dive into a weekend like this, I thought the best thing to do is to plan it in advance the previous night. So yeah, let's get started. So when I decided I would be shooting the previous night, which is Friday, which is right now, today, I wasn't sure if I should be disclosing the time, because I am not very, somebody who sleeps on time, not because I don't want to sleep on time. Of course, I want to. Sticking to a healthy lifestyle is a priority this year. However, because the kind of work that I have and the people around me, I do have a toddler to take care, it really becomes so difficult. So right now it is 2:30 a.m. So basically it's not Friday, it's already we are into Saturday and I'm not still hit the bed. So I'm shooting this so that it's very important for me to plan. The moment I plan everything in advance, I feel a lot more structured going into my day. So I just thought, so when I say I am up at 2:30 a.m., please do not take this as an inspiration. This is not something I'm very proud of. I really have no intentions becoming a brand ambassador for night owls. However, this is my circumstance. I really hope moving forward I try to figure out my sleep cycle a lot more better. However, today let's move on. Well, this is how my planned weekend looks like for now. Done with the vlog for today. However, I am not going to lie, I'm not going to hit the bed immediately. There is a little work that I need to prep for tomorrow's coaching call. It is going to be a coffee chat session with my students, so I really need to prep a little for that. So post that, definitely hitting the bed. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Good night. Hey everyone, good morning. A very happy weekend. Like I mentioned last night, I have a really busy weekend, and trust me, I'm not complaining. I have never been in love with my work so much. So absolutely no complaints. However, it is going to be 11 o'clock and I have a coffee chat session in my MIROSOME Image Coaching Academy. So probably in another few minutes, I'll try to give a little glimpse of what happens inside coffee chat session. However, it's my first chat session, so I'm super excited. Catch you later. So post the learning session, I'm uploading my classes, the calls for the learning platform. Once this is done, my students will be able to access it. And yes, it's done. Just wrapped up my coffee chat session and I had such a great time. It was 1 hour long and we had a blast. I'm so happy we did this. Actually, this was one of the recommendation from the students that they wanted to have a coffee chat session, and they were right. This was wonderful. So I was just thinking, moving forward, when the program gets launched, I'm actually thinking of adding a 2 coffee chat session inside MIROSOME so that my students will get a more personalized, a more casual platform to catch up on and even to brush up on the topics that we learn. So today is Saturday and I have a video to upload. Well, I've done like 70% of the job yesterday night. However, there are a couple of things like, creating thumbnail or, writing tags. The most of the technical part of uploading a video that is left out. So probably an hour's time of work is required to put out the video. So I need to work on it, and probably generally my video goes out in the evening, but however in the evening around that time I do have another coaching call, which is why I'm planning to schedule my video for around 4:30. So let's go. So there you go, it's 12:47 in my screen. So it took close to like 2 hours for me to schedule the video. So I'm scheduling the video for 12:30 in the evening. So yeah. Like I said, it's already close to 3 and I haven't had my lunch. I just managed to schedule my YouTube for the week. Now I'll quickly catch up on some lunch and then sit down to prep for my coaching class that I'm going to attend as a student in the evening at 4 p.m. Yeah, at 4. Well, I thought my coaching call is from 4 to 6. However, my bad. As usual, I always get it wrong. So it's basically from 6 to 8. So I did get good 2.5 hours time in between. I tried managing picking up few tasks from my pending task, basically the things that I managed to pile up the entire week. So I picked 1 or 2 from there, like reels. I created reel covers. I also looked at assignments of my coaching program. So these were the tits and bits. I had my evening snack, and now in another 2 to 3 minutes my coaching program is going to begin. So yeah. It's 8 o'clock and I'm done with my coaching call, and I quickly had my dinner as well. Trust me when I say this, I am so exhausted. I just took a moment to have a look at, the things that I have written, allocated for the entire day. I had mentioned my YouTube video has to go live, thumbnail, tags, all of it is done. There's an Insta challenge that's going to start tomorrow, a 7-day self-love challenge for which I need to show up on Instagram, so that goes pending. I have to shoot the vlog, the entire day vlog, which I kind of managed to do, and I'm very happy about the fact that I managed to do it. And I had a MIROSOME coffee chat which went really well, and I also have a coaching program tomorrow for which my PPT has to be finalized, and a few things, probably a 2 hours job needs to be settled, so that really has to be done. I also had a coaching program. I had a couple of doubts that I noted down to ask, so all of it is being addressed. And yeah, I have a mini training that has to go up on MIROSOME, so that goes pending. Tomorrow, 8 o'clock in the morning, I do have a coaching call to attend. I can't really stay up late in the night today because I really have to be there with all my mind in the class tomorrow. It's an important class. Probably I'll show up on both of my Instagram accounts today, and then touch up on a little research for the PPT and all of that, and then wind up the day. Because I had a busy day and I can feel my eyes burning, I just thought I'll quickly take a walk for like 15-20 minutes below my building, and then come back and then get started, finish off, probably wind it up by 10:30, 11, and then hit the bed. Like really hit the bed. I really need to get some sleep. Hey, good morning. It's Sunday morning and it's going to be 7:45 and I have a coaching call at 8 to attend. I am so excited. The moment I woke up in the morning, and I generally am a night owl. I don't get up early, but then, well, 7:30 is not early. However, I'm generally a night owl. I sit late in the night, so I'll not be able to wake up early. But however, yesterday I slept off like probably 11:30, so that I wake up for a coaching call. And today morning when I woke up, and I was like so grateful because I have the opportunity, to attend coaching calls. I have never enjoyed learning so much like I do right now in my life. I was telling this to my mother the other day. If I had shown so much commitment towards my studies and all of it, probably when I was in school, you never know, where I would be today, but then never mind. I finished my coaching call by around 10 o'clock in the morning. I had my breakfast, then I settled down a little bit. I thought I'd quickly catch up on my PPT that has to, I need to prepare for my coaching program. However, there are a couple of things. Today, like I said yesterday, my 7-day self-love challenge starts today, so I had to go up on Instagram and send the prompts. The first day, the prompt is to write a letter to yourself. Basically, also write down 5 things that you really appreciate about yourself. I think it's a wonderful way, to rekindle that self-love, to bring appreciation. We always look for this externally, look for validation from people outside. So I thought it's a very nice thing to do, and I just finished doing. I'll give you a glimpse of how I've written it, but I thoroughly enjoyed the process. I really hope most of them people from my community, they try and be a part of it, because one, it's just for 7 days. It's not too much of a thing, and it's for once, do yourself a favor, make yourself a priority, because this truly helps you blossom. So this is basically what I've written as a part of Self-Love Challenge Day 1. Like I said in the beginning, I had 5 coaching calls this week, and I managed to finish off 3 of them. So I have 2 more to go. One from 4 to 6, other one 6 to 8, which I am going to host. So I need to prepare myself, for that. Probably another 2 hours of preparation. So I've procrastinated enough. Now it's the time to sit down and start working on it. Around 3:45, I managed to wind up all the preparation for my coaching program, because I really had to catch up with the coaching program that I am going to attend as a student from 4 to 6, which I just wrapped up. So I'm now super pumped up to join my coaching program as a host, and today it's going to be very special, because my students have been waiting to know about face shape, what are the hairstyles that suit the face shape, and the accessorize, the kind of earpieces, the neck pieces, the neckline, and what not. So today is a very interesting session that's going to happen. Yeah, super pumped up. See you around post the session. Well, I just finished the session. I had such interactive session. I loved it. We had a lot of fun. Basically, my coaching program is for women, and women love talking about clothes, accessories, their hair, their makeup, and what works, what doesn't work for them. So it was such a fun session. However, I had a really long weekend. I'm thoroughly exhausted. There is the coaching call has to be uploaded, which I'm going to do right now, and probably just take a day off. It's a night off basically. It's already 8 o'clock, and probably a few more hours I will spend some time with my son and then hit the bed. Well, this is where the entire weekend vlog comes to an end for me. So I really hope I was able to make some justice to, to show you the glimpse of what happens in my life on a weekend. Basically, a work weekend, I can call it. I had a really jam-packed schedule the entire week, and I'm so happy. I think this happened for the first time. I don't know, it happened because I was vlogging, or I really planned it meticulously, and I had thorough deadlines. My deadlines were really strong. Probably those were one of the reasons where I was able to do it well. I quite managed to tick off most of the things, and I'm so happy. At the same time, thoroughly exhausted. So good night.